This video, I'll go from this to this using this, and this. Oh, and this. Okay, so I bought this Mustang a while back, and it's supposed to be like 43,000 original miles. Not sure if that's correct or not, but I do know that it's probably set out in some sun during that time. So I need to replace these moldings because of that. So tools needed for this job: 2mm hex wrench. I'm using some blue tape, screwdriver or trim removal tool, Phillips head, and 11/16 socket. To get started, I'm going to place some blue tape along here, just to help prevent any massive screw ups on my part. So next I need to take the mirror off. Go ahead and lower the window down. And do the other side too. Okay, next we'll take this little Phillips screw off. Like so. Of course, put the screw in a place you can remember where it's at. Next we'll be removing this set screw right here to pull this out. So I'm actually using a 2mm. That's what I had handy, and it fits tight. I would guess it's probably an SAE, but this fits. There we go. Get the rubber piece off. There we go. Now we can slide that out. Okay, next will be these nuts right here. They are 11/32. Okay, so this one in here is a little harder to get simply because of the rubber grommet here. So you just gotta kind of push it, suck it on a little bit better. Be sure to use your spider extractor. Get rid of any spiders. Okay, get the nut out. Just work the mirror out. I'm really concerned about this 50-year-old grommet right here. I think I'm going to simply let that kind of dangle a bit. In fact, I'm going to use some of that blue tape to help it stangle. Some cases you might have a screw right here to take out, which obviously I don't. So next all you have to do is just kind of roll that out of there. Man, she's tight. I just not want to let go. There we go. First part's always the hardest. There's the old one. Now if you have a chrome one, I don't think anybody makes the chrome strips, so you may have to just simply remove this and put your new one on that, but mine's black, so don't worry about that. Get it lined up, double check that it's lined up, and then slide it on. And one thing to know is make sure you get these clips right here. Yeah, like this. These clips right here, make sure they're on the inside of this rail as you go to put it on to get it to snap on correctly. Now here's the difference. I didn't know. No, never mind. Okay, and then just of course reverse reinstall and do the other side. I'm gonna check out the window first though. Okay, I'll put this back on. And a hint that I didn't show you before I actually put this on. Line this hole up right here, and then the rest of it should line up okay. Okay, so there's a pin right here to line this up with this slot in here. Okay, so next I'm going to do that. Alright, make sure you don't go all the way through. Make sure this thing's up where it needs to be so you don't drive the pin all the way through. And the next, lastly, get rid of this. One quick note, I got this from CJ, and the tabs, the ends are bent on both of them from shipping. I didn't think that much about it, but I've already put the driver's one on, and it exposed a little silver line right here. So not real happy about that. I will let them know about that, and hopefully they'll fix that for you. there we go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. I went through it. Dang it.